firstly, medical coding means the conversion of healthcare information into alphanumeric codes is called as medical coding. అంటే healthcare information ని ఒక కోడ్స్ రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడమే మెడికల్ కోడింగ్ యొక్క వర్క్, రైట్? The process of conversion of healthcare information into alphanumeric codes is called as medical coding. So in medical coding, we usually have 3 books, ma. First one is ICD-10-CM. It means International Classification of Diseases. CPT means Current Procedural Terminology. HCPCS means Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System. So we usually use these 3 books in our medical coding, ma. అంటే హెల్త్ కేర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని ఒక కోడ్స్ రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి we usually use these 3 books. So let us see where we usually use these 3 books, why we usually use these books, what is the use of these books. Let us see these things, ma. So first thing is ICD-10-CM book, ma. ICD-10-CM book means ICD, International Classification of Diseases, 10th revision clinical modification book, ma. So what is the use of this book means we usually use this book for coding of diagnosis. అంటే డిసీజెస్ ని కోడ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఈ ICD-10-CM బుక్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో లెట్ us take an example, ma. For example, I have visited the hospital with severe cold. అంటే నేను హాస్పిటల్ కి చాలా కోల్డ్ తో విజిట్ చేశాను. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డయాగ్నోసిస్ హియర్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిసీజ్ హియర్? కోల్డ్, రైట్? సో here to assign a code for the cold, we refer this ICD-10-CM book, ma. So let us see here. J06.9 is a code used for assigning code for the cold, ma. So what book we are using? ICD-10-CM book. Next one, CPT book, ma. CPT means Current Procedural Terminology. So what is the use of this? We usually use this book for the procedures. అంటే ఏదైనా డాక్టర్ ఏమైనా ప్రొసీజర్ చేస్తే ఆ ప్రొసీజర్స్ కి మనం ఈ CPT బుక్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో రిమెంబర్ వన్ థింగ్, నెవర్ ఎవర్ బై హార్ట్ ఎనీ కోడ్, బికాస్ we usually provide all this book. Even in the CPC exam also, we usually they provide all these books. So no need of by hearting anything or anything. Just understand the concept. Surely you will get a good marks in CPC, and surely you are gonna crack the CPC exam and interviews, ma. Surely, because we will send you to the interview. No need to worry regarding that thing. So firstly here, CPT means Current Procedural Terminology. So why we use this CPT book? Use it to code for the procedures, ma. So I already said I visited the hospital with severe cold. So here, to treat the cold, the doctor spent 15 minutes with me. So for this, we usually refer CPT book, and the code is 99213. It is used for 15 minutes doctor visit to check the cold. And let us take another example, ma. So I visited the hospital with a hole in the heart, ma. So the doctors did the heart surgery. So for the surgery means for the procedure, we refer this CPT book. So ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ICD-10-CM అంటే మనం యూజువల్లీ యూజ్ డిసీజెస్ ని కోడ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. డిసీజెస్ అంటే ఏంటి? కోల్డ్, ఫీవర్, ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్ నైనా కోడ్ చేయడానికి మనం ICD-10-CM ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. CPT ప్రొసీజర్స్ ని కోడ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్? హార్ట్ సర్జరీస్ కానీ లేదంటే ఏ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ అయినా కానీ కోడ్ చేయడానికి మనం CPT బుక్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాము. Next thing is the HCPCS book. What is mean by HCPCS? Remember these abbreviations, ma. Means in interview they are gonna be asked what is mean by ICD-10-CM, what is mean by HCPCS. Like these kind of questions you are gonna arise in the interview, ma. So HCPCS means Healthcare Common Procedural Coding System. So why we use this book means for the coding of materials or services or the supplies. For example, I already said I visited the hospital with severe cold. Doctor treated means doctor spent 15 minutes. So, and doctor also checked the fever with the help of thermometer. So, thermometer is a device used to check the temperature in our body ma. సో ఈ థర్మోమీటర్ డివైస్ యూస్ చేస్తే ఆ థర్మోమీటర్ ని కోడ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఈ హెచ్సిపిసిఎస్ బుక్ ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ కోడ్ ఫర్ ద థర్మోమీటర్? A4556 is a code used for the thermometer ma. So elanti materials kaina means supplies or the services, everything we usually get from this HCPCS book ma. So let us take another example. Patient with cardiac arrest shifted to the ICU means hospital in an ambulance. So ambulance ki code etkadam kosam kuda manam usually we refer HCPCS book. And if a patient shifted in a wheelchair ki gaani thermometer, whatever the devices like injections emana use chesna ledante wheelchair, everything we usually get from this HCPCS book ma. And next thing, the workflow of a medical coder. So, what a medical coder will do means he will assign codes to the diseases, procedures, and services and materials with the help of 3 books. Ma. What were they? ICD-10-CM, CPT, HCPCS book. Next thing. So, what is the career opportunities present in the medical coding, ma? So, firstly, when you join, you will join as a medical coder, ma. Then you will go into coding quality auditor, reimbursement analyst, remote coding specialist, and there were many opportunities present in the US, UAE, India, and beyond, ma. And what were the companies present in the medical coding means MNC companies. Top MNC companies were Cognizant, Optum, Omega. Many companies were there, ma. And in your training part only, we will send you to some companies, ma, which were tie up to our institute. So that in the middle of the in the middle of the training only, surely there is a chance of getting job, ma. Mainly we focus only on job means 100% placement is going to be provided from us, ma. And one more thing is, what is many members will get doubt that what is the starting salary and starting ఎంత ఉంటుంది అని. Like this starting basic salary is 25k, ma. And in the medical coding, many work from home opportunities as well as huge career growth is going to be present, and many openings in a month. Approximately many companies were going to have 200 or 100 openings like that, ma. So that surely you are going to crack even in the middle of the training, ma, because most of the students were tracking their interviews in the middle of the training itself, ma. The next one is why you have to join our training institute. What is the speciality? Means what is special comparable to other training institute means starting means we will start from basic and go into advanced level, ma. Because some people won't some people were from non-life science graduate, and some people were poor in anatomy, medical terminology, everything. So we will understand that. So we start everything from basic and go into advanced level, ma. And we provide ICD-10-CM, CPT, HCPCS book, and we will tell everything regarding that coding system, everything explained, and interview preparation questions. And we only help in resume building, and we provide the interview preparation to you. And then after completion of training and interview preparation, we will send to you different companies which were tie up to our institute, ma. So that in an easy way means before in the middle of the training only you are going to crack the exam. So, and what does the specialty means? We have weekly mock test and the mock interview is gonna be present. And if you want only CPC means we have expert trainers and we have 100% placement assurance, ma. No need to worry regarding anything of the placements, ma. And the next thing is, can you see this slide, ma? Hello? Yeah. So I said medical coding means we have to convert healthcare information into alphanumeric codes, right, ma? So what is the use of converting this healthcare information into codes? Why we only keep this means healthcare information lagane unchochu kada? Why we are converting this information into codes? What is the use? Let us discuss this thing, ma. So firstly, in India, what happens means if we visit a hospital, we పే మనీ టు ది డాక్టర్. అంటే మనం డాక్టర్ కి మనీ పే చేసి ట్రీట్మెంట్ డాక్టర్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం. బట్ ఇన్ అమెరికా ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఆపోజిట్, మా. వాట్ మీన్స్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కార్డ్. ఎవ్వరు మనీ పే చేయరు. దే హ్యావ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కార్డ్ ద్వారా మనీ పే చేస్తారు డాక్టర్ కి. సో హౌ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ విల్ పే మనీ టు ది డాక్టర్, లెట్ us see, ma. So firstly, let us take as me. I have visited the hospital with severe fever to the doctor. So the doctor will treat the diseases and he dictate everything and makes a voice file of the patient. So after converting into this voice file, he will send it to the transcription, ma. So what this transcription will do, he will convert that voice file into text file. Now the medical coder will get this text file, ma. Remember, in America, what gonna be happen? అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి విజిట్ చేశాను అనుకో, డాక్టర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ట్రీట్ చేసి నా గురించి ఒక వాయిస్ ఫైల్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్ కి పంపుతాడు. సో ఈ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఆ వాయిస్ ఫైల్ ని ఒక టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి కోడర్ అంటే మనకి మెడికల్ కోడర్స్ కి పంపుతారు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ వర్క్? We will assign codes to the diseases, ప్రొసీజర్స్, మెటీరియల్స్, మా. అంటే ఆ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్ ని కంప్లీట్ గా చదివి అందులో ఉన్న డిసీజెస్ ని, ప్రొసీజర్స్ ని, మెటీరియల్స్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి కోడ్స్ రూపంలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడమే అవర్ వర్క్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ కన్వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ కోడ్స్ మనం బిల్లర్ కి పంపిస్తాం. ఈ బిల్లర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు, డేటా అంతా గ్యాదర్ చేసి ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీకి సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే then the insurance company will pay money to the doctor. This whole cycle is gonna be happen in the America. మనం ఇండియాలో ఏం చేస్తాము, డైరెక్ట్ గా మనీ పే చేసి ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకుంటాం. బట్ ఇన్ అమెరికా ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఆపోజిట్. సో వాట్ ఆల్ ది స్టెప్స్ ప్రెసెంట్ మీన్స్ హూ ఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వింగ్, మెడికల్ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఉంటారు, కోడర్ ఉంటారు, బిల్డర్ ఉంటారు, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ ఉంటుంది. సో బై ఆల్ దీస్ ప్రాసెస్ the doctor will get money in the America, right? So I have told what is the work of the medical coder. He will assign codes to the diseases, procedures, materials. So with the help of what? 3 books, ma. ICD-10-CM, CPT book, HCPCS book, ma. So in the next class, we will see how we will code means how many chapters were present in the ICD-10-CM, CPT, HCPCS, and medical terminology. I will tell everything regarding this. So before that, let us enter into the syllabus, ma. Firstly, remember, if you would like to write CPT exam, this comes to the marks, ma. It comes for 100 marks and 70 is the pass marks, ma. And 4 questions from medical terminology you will arise, and the 4 questions from the anatomy you will get, and 5 questions from ICD-10-CM, 64 questions from CPT book, 3 questions from HCPCS, 3 were the compliance and regulatory, 7 questions were the coding guidelines, and the 10 were the case studies. Whole were the 70 marks. Means whole 100 marks and the 70 is the pass marks, ma. And These were the syllabus which were for the CPC exam. And we also have the interview questions, means in what topics we usually get more questions. Firstly, in every interview, they start with medical terminology and anatomy. Then they will enter into CPT questions or ICD questions, simple guidelines questions they will ask. And completely, mostly they will ask anatomy questions, circulatory systems, everything. And whatever the PPTs we provide, you if you write, means if you are perfect in them, surely you are gonna crack the interview, because other than those PPT, they won't even touch a single point. So, in the next class, I'm going to start with this medical terminology, why we use this ICD 10 cm, CPT, everything I'm going to touch. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts regarding this? Means what is medical coding, or any questions from my class, or how is the training will be there? Anything you can feel free to ask, Anjali, Valvoji, Safura, SK, anybody can ask any question, Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you have any question,
Ma'am, I just want to know what will be the salary of non-certified.
Yeah. Non-certified starts with 20K, and for certified coders, it starts with 25K, and the salary growth, everything will be the same. And if you even join as a non-certified also, the company will provide the training, means the CPC money, means the company will spend the CPC money and make sure that you will get certified, no need to worry. If you join as non-certified, I have joined as non-certified, like that, you don't worry. Surely the company will spend money on you and make sure that you get certified.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Even if you want a CPC training also, we will provide. We have expert trainers, and the interview preparation, resume building, everything gonna be done from us, No need to worry anything, Still, anybody have any doubts? Feel free to ask, No need to worry. It's just a demo session, means a starting interaction class, So you should speak. Anjali, do you have any doubts, Yeah. Do you have any doubts? Or shall I end the session? Volvo G.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts,
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. SK, Sephora.
Ma'am, you are only going to take the training.
Yeah. If you like me, surely I am ready to take the training, Means if you
Yes,
don't
of
want
course, ma'am.
me, yeah.
I was telling just you will be. If you are dealing with the training, it will be good.
Yeah, I'm only taking the training, ma.
Ma'am, if you want to take separate CCS training means it will be provided.
CC comparable to CCS, CPC is very good, ma. In my opinion, because CCS is very typical, and some companies means sometime they removed CCS and only kept CPC for 1 year, and now convert now at present they are taking both CPC and CCS. CCS is not confirm, means it may go or it may come, like that it's going at present. When comparable to that, I prefer you to take CPC training if you want, or even if you work as non-certified also, it will be very good, because you will start with 20K, but the company will provide the training and they will spend that 70K, like 60 to 70K change, and everything will be good even if you join as non-certified also.
Yes, ma'am. In Hyderabad, only companies will be there, or you will recommend
Yeah,
other
we
locations as
we
well?
have tie-up companies in Hyderabad, ma. No need to worry that we have to go Chennai or any other. Many
Yeah.
openings were present even there also, but we have tie-up companies present in the Hyderabad. So no need to worry, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Shall I end the session?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.